I think we all saw it coming, but when you see it in black and white like this, it is pretty depressing. Was it only a few weeks ago when everyone was really upbeat and just repeating growth, growth, growth? The Nile is not just a river in Egypt. It's not really surprising it's come to this, a consequence of printing money, quantitative easing to get through the pandemic, followed by the fuel price increase caused by the Ukraine war, not to mention a house price bubble that's been defying gravity now for many years. So the Bank of England expects the UK to fall into its longest ever recession. That's quite something. It warned the UK would face a very challenging 2-year slump, with unemployment nearly doubling by 2025. So we've got massive inflation, interest rate rises, rising unemployment, increased taxes and reduced government spending, all happening at the same time. So two pieces of very slightly better news is that inflation is expected to peak at 11% this winter and then fall next year, and interest rates are expected to peak at 4.75% next year, which is lower than previously thought. So my advice would be, don't do anything risky, reduce any wasteful expenditure and to make good decisions with good advice. And at the same time, some people are still going to be making good money in this period. So these figures are just an average, so don't necessarily just give up and assume the worst at this stage. So what do you think? Please comment.